This is the lonely rickshaw. The space that you see on the top is a parking lot. Earlier it was a open air toilet, just bang opposite Rang Sharda. I mean, everybody used to come shit over here. But now, because it has been mowed down and made into a parking lot, you know, so you hardly, but there are people coming. You see this thing. This is at Bandra Reclamation. And what what can I tell you about this place? This is all the debris that is thrown around here. I mean, does the municipality not see all this? Or does the municipality not care? And frankly, I feel as a 64-year-old man living in Mumbai since 62 years, I think municipality cares a fucking shit for Mumbai. They just want to destroy Mumbai. And I wish this municipality went into the hands of some private people, at least who will be accountable and responsible to the upkeep of this city. A municipality has taken us down the drain. I mean, you just see this. I mean, what do you say about all this? I mean, don't they see all this? Just see this. And this is the lonely rickshaw, abandoned by the owner or whatever, I don't know. Do the cops don't see all this? Once upon a time, this place, it was a mound where all the people that beg at the traffic signals used to live here, but they used to make a lot of problems. They used to drink, and a lot of domestic violence. So thrown out from here. Now, those little girls that I shot when they were 10 years old, of maybe 8 or 9 years old, are now begging as hijadas, clapping hands with a lot of gaudy makeup, low cleavage. They're all begging as hijadas at the car signal, traffic signal, linking road. I mean, this is life. This is the other side of Bandra, the other side of the moon, the dark side of the moon. That is Rang Sharda. And I didn't take a video of this lane that is going ahead up to the tunnel that leads to the Bandra Promenade. It was recently demolished, and the people are living on the roads, and it is a total mess. It is a total mess. They removed the huts and hutments, but they could not remove the people. The people are still there. They're living on the roads. They are defecating on the roads. And the Bandra Promenade reclamation is an insult to, it's an insult to Swachh Bharat of Modi ji. And I wish one day Mr. Modi ji sees my playlist on YouTube and sees that the people that we voted because of him have done nothing. You have local representatives that don't even care. The only thing they care for is for rich people, people living on Carter Road, people living on Bandstand. They don't care for people living, they don't even care a shit. For them it is what? Now they will become very voter friendly when the elections come. And that is, I'm talking about 2017 civic elections, The Congress corporator, less said about him the better, He's never seen. See this. See this stretch. Who will shoot all this? Why should they shoot? You think media is interested in all this? Media wants rape, molestation. Media wants all this. Just see this. This is the dark side of Bandra reclamation. It does not have a ladies' toilet. Will you believe it? See this. See this. It does not have a ladies' toilet. Right from Nargis Dutt Nagar till the end of Leelavati, there is not a single ladies' toilet. You can imagine. Just see this. See. Everybody comes and see that guy pedaling at the end. You can see him or not. Just see this. This is Bandra reclamation. See that other guy has joined him now. The people don't like to see all this because people want to be shown the good side of India, good side of Mumbai. But what about this ugly side? Who's going to? For the rich man, beautiful thing has been done. A parking lot has been made because Rang Sharda doesn't have a parking lot, so it is no problem. But what about this? This people now see there is third band come to pee out there. Where will they go? You tell me honestly. Where will they go? I mean, Advocate Ashish Shelar Saab, when will he wake up? He's a very good man, dynamic, everything is fine. But what about this? I have posted this video so many times, but nothing has been done. I mean, just see this. See, there's another. I mean, this is a urinal. This is basically a urinal. This is an open air toilet. All the rickshaw drivers come and shit and piddle out here. But now because this place has become a parking lot, there isn't that much. But this, where will they go? I mean, just see this. See those two guys? Can you see them or you don't see them? What will they do? And I wish if you could smell this here. I mean, the parking lot has come in. But this is as bad as ever. I can go to the stretch, but I'll spoil my shoes. Just see this. All this place is meant for peddling, for shitting, and that is a MADA monolithic. It was made for the transit camp people, but it's been lying there for last 3 years, I mean, this is it. MADA cares a fuck. And really, honestly, all the local representatives care a fuck. I mean, Mumbai is a shithole, People that love Mumbai don't live in Mumbai at all. They've all moved away. They've all gone to Pune and other places because they couldn't take all this shit, And people think I talk shit. I think just see all this. I mean, this is not anything. Nothing has been morphed out here, or I'm not manipulating. My videos are as is, where is. I don't edit. I don't, but this is it. Just see this. Jai Maharashtra.